It's easier than you think to make an amazing coconut milk pumpkin spice latte right at home. So instead of fighting your way through the line at the coffee shop, let's make our own. We'll need 2 shots of espresso, 3 tablespoons of pumpkin spice sauce, and 1 cup of frothed coconut milk. You can get everything you need to make a pumpkin spice latte through the links in the description. The fall magic of the pumpkin spice latte comes from the pumpkin spice sauce, so we're using our own homemade sauce. You can see how we made it in the linked video. First, make sure your espresso machine is all warmed up and ready to go. Then, heat your coconut milk to around 160 degrees and foam it up using a frother like this one from Simple Taste. You can use almost any type of milk. Today we're using unsweetened vanilla coconut milk from So Delicious. Next, add in the pumpkin spice sauce. And finally, pull your double shot of espresso and gently stir it into the cup. And that's all it takes to make your own coconut milk pumpkin spice latte. So you can sit back and enjoy the fall season with the warm flavors of nutmeg, cinnamon, and espresso without having to deal with all the hassle and cost of a trip to the coffee shop.